Hello and welcome to my channel Being Your Tech. So today we're just going to review a new DSLR which I just got today. Its name is Canon 3000D EOS. So I hope it will be a great DSLR. I just got some review from the Flipkart and it seems very good. And I hope for the best that it will be a great DSLR which I'll be having. Definitely it's not an advanced product. It's a entry level or amateur product for the beginners. So but also it is having all the advanced feature which you can have on new Canon D, and also it is a new device from the Canon, new model from the Canon. So hopefully there will be a bit more specification or bit more technology which has been presented. So at first we just get the box out of, and after that we just got a bag, and I think it's for the Canon, and this bag will serve you the purpose to hold the camera and to maintain your camera. I think it's a great bag. Actually no, it's not a great bag. I am a bit disappointed with the quality. I thought that maybe a better bag could have been expected, but it is not a great bag. You can get a better bag from Canon, and I expected a better from Canon. But hence, yes, as it's an entry model and the price is also near about 20,000 rupees, so definitely I can expect more. But you know that consumer expect always more, so that was the bit of disappointment. It's a decent bag, it's a okay type bag, not very satisfactory, but it will serve its purpose. So I'll just open it up and I'll show you that how it looks from inwards. If you need another bag which will, you just feel like that it will just give you a good protection, then you have to buy some other bag from Canon. So you can see this is the way it looks from inside. So I will keep it aside and I will go for the main box, which is the main attraction. And I can tell you that it is a great camera under 20,000 because it's a complete DSLR full feature, and it is having advanced technology like Wi-Fi and etc. Definitely it will not give you a great result in the auto mode, but in manual mode I think it will give you a great result, because I have seen some pictures which has been taken from this camera and they are awesome. And you can actually fit different kind of lenses to enhance the performance which it can give and the amount of output. So now we'll be getting to open the box. So the box has been opened up and you can see some warranty card. It gives a 1 year of warranty, but if you register online then you will get an additional 1 year warranty with it. So that's a great thing. So this is the battery charger, so we'll keep it aside right now. And as I can see, it is a battery which needs to be, I'll show you later on, so I have kept that aside. And now the main thing, not the main thing, the second most main thing which is delivered to the camera, I'll show. No, the memory card is there. So previously the Canon EOS 3000D was giving a Kingston memory card, but they have upgraded themselves to the SanDisk, so it is a bit happy moment for us, and I'm very happy that they have provided me with a SanDisk 16GB disk, which I am a bit happy that actually they're providing me with a memory card. So this is the battery adapter where you have to charge your battery. So I'll show it, and now we'll be going to reveal the second most important thing of our camera, that is the lens. 18.55mm lens. It's a basic lens, but if you can add some good lenses then definitely it will give some good bokeh mode or what kind of output you wish to have, you can add lenses up to that, so it will give you a great output. Yeah, so I will open it for you and I will just show you that how it looks. Yeah, so it's a plastic body, but it's a decent 18x55mm lens. So yes, this is a good thing to have. I'll keep it aside and I'll just go for the most precious thing. Not precious actually, I'm telling it's precious because I have got it on just 20,000 rupees, so I got so excited. So that's why. So most exciting thing which excited me is the camera body of the camera. Wow, actually the body is good, the design is good. You are having a flash option. It's a plastic body, but the design is good. It's easy to hold, weight is not so much. Yeah, that is the thing, it's a lightweight camera. And here is all the setup and setting buttons for you guys, just to you can adjust and enhance the camera speed.